Hello everyone and welcome back to Car Salvage 101, and today you'll be pleased to know, well, I say pleased to know, everyone's got a slight different view on it. Obviously some people watch the channel because I do a lot of Fiat 500s. However, what you're looking at is a 1 Series BMW. So, we will just go through this. I don't plan this to be a long video at all, but as you can see, it's a Copart 1 Series. So let's have a look at the screen. 2015 120D M Sport, which I picked up from Newbury I picked up, as in I purchased it for £1,900, which I actually thought wasn't a bad. I mean, okay, 148,000 miles on the clock, but I suppose 1,900 isn't too bad. I mean, Fiat 500 is only a couple of £100 less. But anyway, we're not going to compare BMWs with Fiat 500s because that just gets us into a whole different ballpark. So, with fees and out the door with Copart delivery, it's cost me literally just over 2,300. So anyway, 2015 120D. This is not the facelift one. This is literally just shy of it. It's a 64 plate, and there's a couple of reasons I've picked this one. Number one, it's in Newbury, and prices around these cars tend not to go crazy like other Copart yards. Number two is I thought we'd move away slightly from the disastrous E90s. Let's go to something a bit newer. And the 1 Series, despite people not actually really liking the style of it too much, some people find it a bit meh. It's actually a really nice car to drive, rear wheel drive, and it's 190 brake horsepower. So good fuel economy, and I need that as well for my work journeys down the motorway. So as you can see from the pictures, it's had a frontal. The Copart website's playing up, by the way, so if this doesn't work properly, it's the Copart themselves for some reason tonight. So as you can see, I can't actually zoom in. Oh, I can actually. So we've had some minor frontal here. I say minor, it's just dented the front here. Let me see if I can go back. Just dented the front, and it doesn't really look like it's done much else. And I'll be honest, okay, from the pictures it doesn't, but we know how Copart works. But the main thing is these headlights appear to be fine. So both that one and that one appear to be okay. However, I haven't got it yet. So, nothing wrong with the rear at all. From both angles, it appears to be fine. Actually, has it been debadged? Oh, it has. It's been debadged. Interior, Alcantara. It's no leather. Don't know if it's got heated seats. I suspect not, but I did know that was an optional extra on the 1 Series. 2 keys. And again, we're going to come to a couple of things as to why I like this one. So, just having a quick look at the engine compartment. From here, from this side, it would appear that there's no issues with anything that's going on here, but let's just leave that how it is. But at the moment it appears there's nothing wrong with the front. Everything looks to be intact. No, there's one error here. That is the outside temperature is -40. That's because the temperature sensor that registers outside temperature is in the bumper at the bottom. Oh dear, sorry. And that will be the reason why that is showing as -40. So it's got it's either the sensor's broken or, well, the sensor's broken. Hopefully that is the case. Otherwise, there is no issues with that, and it shows that it is running. So I'm going to need a new front bumper, new grille, and I'll see what else I can rescue from all of these. This, however, centre grille looks damaged to me. I might just hold off purchasing one or trying to find one until I can see that for myself. But looking at the corner here, I'd say that was damaged. Then what else we got? So the other thing, so these are the things that the reason why I've selected this one series over anything else. And it's one thing is this display screen. The iDrive is double in size of normal, so they've upgraded the iDrive system, bigger screen, and I think the chip and everything is faster as well. So that in itself is I can't remember how much an upgrade that is on that, but we get DAB radio, sat nav. I'm not sure. I don't think these do Apple CarPlay or Android Auto on this year. But what's the other things? So the other thing, obviously, is the headlights here, Xenons. These normally for one series, these are halogen, but these are Xenons. So even more reason why I don't want a broken headlight, because that'll get expensive. But I'm fingers crossed it will be fine. But yeah, Xenons. And then the last thing, which you can't actually see in the image, I don't believe, it's got Harman Kardon stereo. So we get upgraded speaker system, better sound as well. Again, that's an upgrade. So from looking at this, we got upgraded stereo, upgraded infotainment, and we get Xenons. So a bit of a win there, really. However, just before doing this, I did notice, which I'll be honest, I missed on looking at the pictures, and that is we have two dents in this bonnet, either side. Now, it's possible I can pull these or push them from the inside if I'm to take the engine cover off. We might be able to get that. I'm hoping that's the case. I can either pull it or push it. I could try it myself, or I just could get a dent person in to try and do it. I don't really know, if I'm being honest, about the thickness of the steel or aluminium. I don't know what they use on this bonnet, to be honest. So yeah, so that's one thing that I really, because otherwise that bonnet looked, from this angle here, looked to be all right. But anyway, so yeah, quick look at the additional info. This doesn't give us any more than what we already know. So got parking sensors front and rear. So yeah, that is the car. Quick check, MOT history. This was done in October, and we have some brake wear front and rear. So need to get some brake pads. So those are already en route. Brake pads are en route. And I need to go and purchase a bumper and a outside temperature sensor as well. And fingers crossed. Now, bearing in mind my luck with B&Ws is not good, we might be able to get this one done and dusted. So that is going to be our next project, which will come to the channel very, very soon. In the meantime, I've got a number of videos stacked, waiting to put out, which is including the B&W E91 Touring, silver one, and also the Mint 500 and the white 2013 500. So those are waiting to go out. But obviously, if you're seeing this before those, and the fact I've been able to purchase this car suggests that one or some of those have gone. But, you know, we'll come to that on the channel. I'm pretty sure that's going to be it. That sort of wraps up this very brief video. Let me know in the comments below what you reckon, what you think for £19,000 or £2,300, which I purchased for it, and what you reckon about the bonnet, whether you think that I might be able to do that myself. And I think that's going to be it. So until next time, thank you all for watching, and I will catch up with you all again very, very soon. And if you're watching this and you're not already a subscriber, first hit the like button and then hit the subscribe button. So until next time, thank you all, and I'll see you all soon.